Hey everybody, welcome to my booth. I'm Jay. Happy Thursday. Today's sample's from Chris. We're going to give it a listen in a second here. If you'd like me to review audio of yours, you know what? There's a form in the description. Send me something. You can jump the line by joining the booth buddies down below if you're interested in that. And otherwise, just thanks for being here. Thanks for clicking the buttons if you got the time. Enough of that. Chris, the floor is yours.
The world beckons, with adventures waiting around every corner. But before you embark on your journey, equip yourself for the unknown. Travel with confidence. Odyssey luggage, meticulously crafted for the discerning traveller. Visit our website today and discover the Odyssey luggage collection.
Really good. I like it a lot. So all to say, it's going to be tough for me to come up with some stuff to get nitpicky about here, but we're going to get nitpicky, Chris. But really solid work. I love you've got a wonderful voice for this kind of thing. It just oozes luxury. Odyssey luggage. I'm like, I want to fly in style. Let's get some Odyssey luggage. So really nitpicky on my part here, because I think it's great. First things first, and really the only thing that I think in terms of your read that I would redirect you for is this Odyssey luggage.
Odyssey luggage
Is just a little bit swallowed. It's like Odyssey luggage. It kind of gets swallowed as you go. Whereas the second one at the end here.
Visit our website today and discover the Odyssey luggage collection.
Like that level of Odyssey luggage, not necessarily that read or intonation, but just this one here, I would clarify a bit.
Odyssey luggage.
It doesn't bother me a ton. That's, again, me being super nitpicky. And then I love the music that you chose. However, in my first listen through, it doesn't bother me as much in this second or third listen through here, but there's part of me that feels that aspects of the music are clashing with or grating against your voiceover in certain ways. And this is really subjective and me being really nitpicky. So again, grain of salt. I'm very careful about that. But the beauty of spectral view is we can see exactly what's going on here. And if we just zoom in on one of these, my intuition is that the piano here, because we can see these piano hits, ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. And my intuition is that because they those notes rest in similar frequencies as our voice would, that it's just kind of overwhelming your voice at times. And again, me being super nitpicky. But if you wanted to remedy that, you could maybe just selectively dial down those sections or that frequency in the piano using an EQ or something. You could... There are lots of options. And just off the top of my mind, you could use an EQ over the whole track. You could use a bus processing, which is something I haven't talked about at all on this channel, but it's like a sidechain compression type deal. But you could use that with a selective, dynamic EQ, getting very fancy. And of course, you could just go in manually and be like, okay, this little bit, I'm going to turn down the volume, blah, 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 and tackle it that way. And then there's the sort of whistly chime thing at the top that's like, I'm a great impressionist, but
with adventures waiting around every corner.
There are times when I don't know what my thought is because I don't dislike it.
The world beckons, with adventures waiting around every corner. But before you embark on your journey, equip yourself for the unknown. Travel.
Yeah, I don't know what it is. There's something about that I wish would, I guess, change. Because it happens, I like it as an ornament. It's like a nice little sparkle to add to the thing. And this is me being more critical, perhaps, of the music than of anything that you've done here, but I would love for it to change at some point because it sticks with that sort of droney thing for most of the...
With confidence. Odyssey luggage. Meticulously crafted for the discerning traveler. Visit our website today and discover the Odyssey luggage collection.
Yeah, there's something about it that I just wish it would change somehow. It kind of does, like right around here, where it like changes in dynamics ever so slightly. But I don't know. I don't know what the solution is to that. I would have to play around. But usually when you've got like music of this ilk, or depending on where you licensed it from, you can download it in stems, meaning you get all of the different layers of the music. So you'd get a track of just like the piano, of the background, of the sparkle bits, we'll call them. And you can tinker with those individually. And I don't know what the solution would be necessarily, but just brainstorming off the top of my head, you could have them swell more at times, make them really, really quiet at times. So like have the beginning start with that twinkle stuff, have them kind of cut out for a while, and then maybe swell again. And then if you wanted to get really creative, you could add, because it's Odyssey luggage, you could add like some sound effects of some kind. I don't know if I like that or not, but it's spitting it around. I would maybe do an A/B of like, what does it sound like if I add like a plane in the background as like a drone sound, use that as an ornament in some way. Could be a cool thing. Let's listen one more time to just your read now that I've gone super technical, and see what we can see. I'll get really specific about each line and see if we can come up with something interesting.
The world beckons, with adventures waiting around every corner. But before you embark on your journey, equip yourself for the unknown.
I love the way that you do, but before you embark on your journey, because I talk a lot about inflecting down, where if I end the phrase with a downward inflection, then it sounds like the end of the thought. And this is a really great example of where the inflection at the end of this phrase sends the energy into the next one.
But before you embark on your journey, equip yourself for the unknown.
But before you embark on your journey, that's kind of how it is. And I really enjoy that.
Travel with confidence. Odyssey luggage. Meticulously crafted for the discerning traveler. Visit our website today and discover the Odyssey luggage collection.
Yeah, I think if I'm gonna, this would be a directorial choice depending on what the spot wants, because again, I really, really like this in general. But on the note of the inflection things, it would be something that I would consider just playing around with. It's kind of one of those things where if it ain't broke, don't fix it deal. But I would just be interested to hear what it would sound like if we had more variety in things. No, my light. So because each thing is kind of in that luxury space, where here we are in the luxury, and it's resting in this luxury, and all of the phrases have that luxurious feel. Because of that, I'm just curious what it would be like if we switched it up occasionally. But again, that would be just a thing to have as an option if that production wanted to do it. But more or less all I'm saying from that is a lot of the inflection stays in this sort of luxury space, which makes perfect sense. But maybe if we change things, and I don't know what the change would be, but trying something different. But my friend, really, really great work on this. And yeah, I hope it was helpful for you and helpful for everybody else out there. And until the next one of these, everybody, be well, and I'll see you there. Toodles.